morning, YouTubers. Sawmill Bill 70 here. I'm down at the sawmill shed. Actually been a couple days because we had some doctor's appointments and stuff, and plus it was just so hot, so needed a break. So anyway, let me show you where we're at here. I just installed the lower header, the bottom header here, and that was on my previous video. So this here is going to be the other half of the header going up on the front wall, and it's right there, going across. And I got it braced up here so it doesn't bow down. Now, and my brace is really bowed, but anyway, that's holding it out flush with the front of the building, the shed, and then over here I'm going to put another one up, 16-footer, and I'm going to fasten a board to the end of it, and then when I get here I'm going to fasten these two together. And then what I'll end up doing after I get these fastened and everything, I'm going to come to the inside and fasten. I'll take that brace off, and I'll fasten an 8-foot 2x6 across there, and I'm going to use concrete construction adhesive to fasten it, to strengthen it up. And I'm going to do the same up there, but I want to get the lower part where I can reach right now, get that one step at a time. But anyway, that's where I'm at, and one of the boards I'll be taking off, it's not going to be any of those top ones there. They're bowed real bad. I got to find one that's pretty straight, so might have to do some digging there. I got a bunch down at the bottom, and down here I've got a bunch. I think in between there I have 2x4s. So, boy. Hope I don't run into any bees' nests. I had a situation yesterday where I had to make room. I have to make way to get up in the top of my barn, and I have it closed in. But yesterday I seen there were yellow jackets going in under the door, so I went up. I have another way up in there on the inside, and I went up in, and I seen a big nest over on the door, and I thought that was the nest. So last evening I went up and I was going to spray them, and when I got up there I just happened to look down. I had my flashlight. I looked down on the floor. I don't have lights up there, and I looked down, about the size of a basketball and a half. There's a huge yellow jacket's nest on the floor up against my wood pile. Oh boy. So I sprayed the wasp nest was further out, probably about 10 feet. And I sprayed them and got them, but then before the yellow jackets got active, and I started spraying the nest, and I used up 2 cans of spray, but I couldn't see the opening on the nest, so I don't know where it's at. So I got out of there, and I couldn't get back up in. They were everywhere. So maybe they'll settle down this evening, and I can get back up there and break the nest open and spray them. Not looking forward to that. It's a huge nest. And those little things are aggressive and they're nasty. They'll chase you to the end of the earth if they can, But wasps aren't like that. They'll sting you, but they're not as aggressive. So, but I think I got all the wasps. So anyway, we're back down here, and I'll bring you along. I'm gonna get, like I said, right here. I have to put a piece of wood right there to hold the board in place, and then it rests on there, and then it'll meet there, and then I'll fasten them on the outside with a piece of wood just to keep them connected, and then I'll fasten them to the columns, and then I can continue on completing this. So, and these aren't the straightest boards in the world, but like I said, I'm not building the Empire State Building here. I'm just putting up a shed, so I'm using what I have. And for the newcomers, that have maybe just tuned in. It's all of this is oak. It's not pine. Now the pieces I put in, now this here, that is pine or spruce or whatever you want to call it. It's a regular 2x6, and I'm going to use that for the webbing. I hope. That's why I got to get up in the barn. I got to get some 10-foot stuff. But I want to make the webbing up there. It'll be like a huge truss, and that's going to support the weight of the roof and anything else that goes up there, snow, whatever. But I have to do that, or it's not going to hold. I know it. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So I'll get back to you when I get started. Okay, I'm back. I don't know when my SD card ran out, so sorry about that. I don't know what I did get and didn't. I won't know until I edit this video. So, but anyway, I got to continue on here. So, what I've got going here, let me show you on this print, but what I'm doing. Now, hoping you can get that out, but this is the top header. And this is the header I just put up. And then I'm going to put webbing in between, as you can see there. And it's going to be just a huge truss to support, because I have seams right here. And, you know, I have to strengthen that up. And the only way I can do that and take the load off of it and spread it out is to do this. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I'll give you an idea of what we're doing, and I'll show you what we did so far this morning. And I think I got some of it. I don't know how much I got, but you can see that lower one there. That's what I put. I put this half in 2 days ago, and then this half in this morning. I just put up, and actually the second one went up, well, a little easier because I knew what I was doing. But anyway, now that I'm professional at it, I won't have to do it again. So I'm going to try to, right here where that seam is, I want to get a 2x6 across there, an 8-foot 2x6, and use contractor's adhesive and screw it and nail it to support that seam. So that's what I'm going to work on now, I think. I do have to fasten it over here. I didn't fasten it there yet, so I got to do that. I got to get my nail gun out and nail these. But I'll do that next, and then I'll bring you along as I do it. So be back in a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I nailed the heck out of it. I got this little bit here to do, and not a bit for that. I'll get back to you. Okay, and I got the adhesive on the 2x6, and we'll put it up there and see how we can clamp it and get it screwed and nailed. Alright. I don't know if that's coming out or not. That board is in. Glued, screwed, and nailed. So anyway, not that much done. It's really starting to get hot. I mean, even though it's not near as hot as it was the last week. It's really nice, and I don't know if I have any more. I only have 8-footers down here, and I don't think 8 foot's going to reach between them. I'll check, but I don't think it's gonna, which means I can't do any more until I get rid of those bees up in the barn, and I don't know when that's going to be. That might take a couple more days for all I know. So anyway, that's going to be it for now. I think I've had enough on this video. Like I said, the SD card went, and I had to put a new one in. And I don't know where it stopped, but I apologize for that. But you know, I get busy. That's all. So this is what we got done so far. I got to nail this corner over here good, and this one over here good. I haven't done that yet, but that's not going anywhere. And that's where we're at right now. So one step closer, and I'll get back to you. Well, my next video then will probably be putting the webbing in. And I'm probably going to put a web from here up. Now I could do that with the 8-footers. I might do that. And then I want to go above there, up, and from the center down on an angle, and then up and make a W out of it, like. But and that should support that perfect. But for right now, that's going to be it. We'll catch you on the next video. I appreciate everybody watching. And if you're a newcomer and you just watched this video and you don't know really what's going on, you can get back on, watch some of my other videos when I'm starting to put this up. And I got other videos with Sawmill. And so if you're looking for entertainment, there's a lot of it there. Just, you know, if you do, I hope you enjoy it, and come back and watch this channel. I appreciate having everybody along, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day.